to use the MT4 and MT5 platforms for trading. And let's quick into the video. Basically, these two apps, they all have the same features, just that the MT5 has more advanced features than the MT4. So real quick, let's get started. I'm gonna open my MT5 MetaTrader 5 app, as you can see. So that's my app, that's MetaTrader 5. So basically this is the app. Let's get started with the codes, how to use it. So that's where I find the codes, the currency pairs. So basically this AED card, AEDCHF and stuff like that, all these are currency codes, USDJPY and stuff like that. So this is why basically you find your currency codes here, the base currency and the cost on the code currency, all of them you find it there, as you can see. Plus indices, of course, depending on broker you're using, and crypto and stuff like that, So basically, as you can see here, I have my spreads. Those are my spreads. My spreads are written down there. That's 39 on AD card, as you can see. ADCHF, as you can see, the spread is written down and the change, as you can see. So basically, if you want to place an order, you're going to click on the pair, like say AD card, and this is the chart, the new order and stuff like that, So basically that's how you're gonna use it. Let's go. So if you wanna see the charts, you come down here and click on the charts, as you can see. So that's the 1 hour time frame. That's how the charts look like. So if you wanna shift the time frame, you're gonna just click on your screen, and the time frames are gonna be shown here. So this is the monthly time frame, and the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame, which is H4, H1 1 hour time frame, M30, that's 30 minutes time frame. So basically, if it's the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, one candlestick represents 1 hour. So each candlestick is formed after 1 hour. So basically that's the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. So basically that's how to switch the time frames and stuff like that. So basically, if you want to see your trades, so that's your can balance, the equity and the free margin. So that's where I'll be monitoring your open trades. That's how you monitor your open trades from, as you can see. So your history, so it shows your deposit, your profit and stuff like that. So basically that's it, where you see your orders you've been placing throughout the week and stuff like that, So it basically shows your history here, and then the orders, you can see them here, the total number of orders you've placed, cancelled and total. So the deals, you're gonna see them all there, you see, So basically, when you place your trades, all your trades are gonna be appearing to run from here. You can see your losses, your profits, your trades running from here. So basically that's where your trades are gonna be appearing. Just that the market is closed, it's over the weekend, and so these are the charts. So if you want to analyze the markets, you're gonna just click on your screen. So this icon here appears. So you're gonna click here on tools. So it shows you the tools. Let me say you have a rectangle, you want to map a zone, you're going to get the rectangle, map it there like that. So if you want to change the filling of this rectangle, you're gonna click on it, long click on it, come to edit, and then change the filling. Let me say you want it to be let me say this color here, you're gonna say done, and basically that's how your zones are gonna appear. And then another tool you're gonna be so these are the trend line, this is the trend line. So if you want, let me say you want to draw a trend line, you're gonna put it there and you draw it like that, So basically that's how you use the trend line. And then another tool that I'm gonna use, this the arrow. Let me say you want to measure pips, you've got, that's how you're gonna use the arrow. Let me shift to 1 hour time frame. So let me say you started catching a move. Let me delete this. Just delete this. That's how you're gonna delete. So I get my arrow. Let me say I got pips from there up to here. So basically the number of pips are gonna be measured up there. Let me delete this rectangle there. Let me say I started catching pips from there until down here. So I click on the top and the tip of this arrow, I move it and I measure my pips. So basically it gives you readings in points, but then points are just one decimal point ahead of pips. So let me say I started catching my move from Let me just reduce this arrow to here. From there to here, let me say, so it's basically 892 points. So those are points. So basically those are 89.2 point pips you get. So 892, so it's 800, it's, let me say, 940 points. So those are basically 94 pips. I hope you're getting the point. So that's how you're gonna use the arrow for measuring pips. So let me get, so we have so many other features, as you can see. So to add the indicators, so you have channels, so many features, Fibonacci retracement, you can see it there, the Eloit wave, rectangle, triangle, ellipse, and stuff like that. So you're gonna find it down there, trend line, horizontal line, and stuff like that. So all those features, you're gonna find them under that. So let's slide to the next chapter. So if you wanna use, like, if you wanna customize your MT4, let's first go to indicators. So if you wanna add indicators to your charts, you're gonna click on the screen like this, and then you go to this F button. So basically these are indicators. So you choose the kind of indicator you want, you customize it, and and you get the indicator, the one you want. You have the moving average, standard deviation, oscillators, all those indicators there. So you basically find it just clicking on the screen, going to the F button. So about customizing your MT4, you can go to settings, you just click on the screen, you go to this settings icon, this machine icon, setting icon. So basically, if you want to customize the color of your candlesticks, you're gonna click here, you customize it. Your foreground, the grid, the bar up, bar down, bull candle, bear candle, chart line. So you're gonna customize all your stuff from here, and then you click done. So show volumes, you have short level trade levels. So basically this way you're gonna customize your trade, your MetaTrader 5 and stuff like that. So basically MetaTrader 4 also works on the same principle, just that MetaTrader 5 offers more advanced features. Let me see. So if you want to zoom out your chart, you're just gonna drag it with your hands like this, and you zoom it out. Let me see. That's how you're gonna zoom your charts, and so basically this is how you're gonna use your MetaTrader. So let me say you want to place an order, you're just gonna click on that plus button up there. So this plus button, and then you place the trade and the lot size you want. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe. This is just a brief introduction, so we are gonna be having more videos like this in the next coming months, and please don't forget to subscribe, and have a blessed day. Bye.